Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. Today I'm here to share with you how I achieved this beautiful defined twist out using my DIY curling and twist cream. If this is something you're interested in, definitely stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So first of all, for this twist out, I began on freshly washed hair and also fully detangled and parted hair. I decided to do some parts before recording the video in full. Now, the products that I am going to be using is a DIY product that I did last week. I posted a video on that, so if you haven't watched that, please do watch that video. I'll link it in the card above. Now what I do is just to moisturize my hair a bit and then make sure that I detangle it and make sure that there's no tangle in the hair. Now this is the DIY product that I'm talking about. If you haven't watched the video, like I said, just click on the link above and also in the description box to watch that video. It is a very simple curling cream to make, and so what I do is just apply this on my damp hair. I do this and I apply a lot of the product, not too much, but an amount that will coat my hair very well. And what I do is to give it a tight twist. Yeah. So that is all that is to this twist. So I just twist the hair, and then this is how it is. So you apply the product in such a way that when you twist it, you can see that like there's some of the product in the hair, like it's a bit whitish. That is to tell you that there's product in the hair. Make sure that you rake your hand through when you are going to do the twisters. That is to make sure that when you are fluffing out, it is very easy to fluff out when you rake your hand through before you twist. So basically this is how I do the twist, and I'm making sure that I'm doing about 16 twists in all. So you could see that I am picking bigger sections of my hair, and usually when you pick big sections of your hair, it is quite difficult for your hair to dry out faster. But then my hair is quite long, so I'm just doing 16 twists, and this is what I have. Now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and yeah, I dried it over the hooded dryer that I had, and this is it. I would say that my hair was 95% dried. I had some parts that were not fully dry, but I really wanted to take this down because I had somewhere to go with it, so I decided to take down the hair. Now when you're taking down the hair, you have to make sure that you start from the roots and then you work your way right to the top. Now when you're doing this, just make sure that your hair is fully dried, otherwise you would notice that there'll be frizz or your hair will be frizzy. Now this curling cream that I made can also be used as a wash and go. If you want me to show you how I use this, how you can use this as a wash and go, you can just let me know in the comment section below. And this is what I have after taking down my hair. So the next thing that I do is to take the other section down, and this is quite easy to do. You can see the definition, girl, this is definition. And this is not just from any store-bought product, but Charlie, a DIY product, of course. Now the next thing that I have to do is to fluff it, and this is where it becomes handy that when you are applying the product in your hair, you rake your hand through the hair. That way when you are fluffing your hair, it is very easy to do that. So I'm just fluffing it, and I had some frizz because, like I said, my hair wasn't fully dry. I believe if my hair was 100% dry, like my curls would have even been more than this. But all the same, this is what I have. And what I'll say is that the product is not like, it has normal hold. The hold is not very strong, but it has that hold that would last you for days. And so this is what I have with the twist out. What I do is to just make sure that I give it some a little volume. And yeah, guys, this is the twist out with my curling cream. It came out pretty well, and I did really like it. I'll be using this on my hair, and let me know what you think about this product. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can also drop it down in the comment section. I'll definitely check it out and respond to it. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next week. Bye.